Hello, it's very exciting to see that you're having a lean product development conference. And I wish I could be there face to face to have these fascinating discussions with you. There is no bigger waste than a new product that fails on the market. Think of all the invested effort. And yet, unhappily, this happens very frequently. In my experience, the three main causes are: 1, the product doesn't capture customers. It doesn't address the real need, or its quality for use is not great, or they simply don't see what benefit it brings. An engineer's smart idea is not necessarily a good idea. 2, the product turns out to be too expensive to manufacture to have a reasonable price and margin, particularly when at the beginning volumes are lower than expectations. The product costs are set in the design phase and will be found on the Gemba in the way machines and materials have been conceived. 3, and this happens a lot, there is not enough marketing support at launch. Often it's because the project went badly and it's a mess and it's finishing late and after the deadline and with a lot of late changes. When that happens, all energy is going to, let's finally launch this product and get it over with. And there's not enough love and marketing energy left to make it a success with customers. Lean thinking has antidotes for these three diseases, but this requires serious and concentrated application of the lean process development principles. Lean often focuses on manufacturing because people think it's easier to see things on the shop floor. They're right there in front of your eyes. Well, that is true, but it also leads to a very limited understanding of lean thinking. We go to the shop floor to see how people think about their work, identify their misconception, correct them to eliminate waste. So on the shop floor, the first misconception is here about how operations people use labor and machines. You see the Muda, but you need to go into their thinking. Then when you've established Kaizen and corrected the worst wastes, you can look at how machines are designed and investigate the thinking of process engineers. Too often, machines are too inflexible or produce too many defects. Then, from understanding the machines and processes, you can look at products and wonder how the engineers imagine them and where they put the value. But LPPD Gemba starts also with customers. To succeed with a new feature, we need to solve a customer problem with new ways of doing things, rather than what we often do, which is try to capture new customers with what we already know how to do. Gemba walks can start at customer service, looking at customer complaints and wondering, what was the customer trying to do to create this problem? How did they get in that situation? Lean product development is where the real money is. Today by learning value analysis, and tomorrow by learning value engineering. But it's difficult because it means thinking deeply about engineering. For many years in France, we have created a community of practice of lean engineers. Every month we meet in a different company, we visit the shop floor and discuss engineering projects in their obeas. Exchanges are very rich and deep conversations that are a true source of insights. We need similar communities all over the world. So I wish you an excellent conference. Again, I deeply regret not being able to participate in person. Lean product and development is the most exciting and promising topic in Lean today. And I'm sure you will learn many things, and I wish you a great time.